we will start the practice set 2.2. Practice set 2.2, it is based on the applications of the Pythagoras theorem, which is for the acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and Apollonius theorem. So let's study the practice set 2.2. First example, in this PQ is given 11, PR 17, PS is 13 and find QR. We have to find out the value of QR, means QR, this we have to find out. S is a midpoint, so here S is midpoint, either you find QS or SR, then QR will be double of that particular segment. So here they have given solution PS is median. If it is median, we can use the Apollonius theorem. So therefore, by Apollonius theorem says that PQ square plus PR square. Actually, this is the side opposite to the acute angle. This is the opposite side of the obtuse angle. Their square is equal to twice the median square. So PS square plus 2 times the either QS or SR. So I'll write QS bracket square. Now put the values. 11 square plus PR square is 17 square is equal to twice PS square. 2 into 13 square. Here we have to make the square first and then we will multiply. Plus 2 QS square. 11 square is 121. Here 289 is equal to 13 square is 169 multiplied by twice QS square. Sorry, here it is plus. Add these two, you will get the answer 410 is equal to, multiply this with this, so you will get the answer 8 and here it is 33 plus 2 QS bracket square. Now transfer this, it is a positive, if you transfer it on this side, so it will be negative. 410 minus 338 is equal to twice QS square. After subtraction of these two, you will get the answer 72. So 72 is equal to 2 into QS bracket square. 2 transfer here, so 7 to 2 divided by 2 is equal to QS square. That means QS you will get 36. This is, sorry, QS square you will get 36. And if you take the square root on both the side, then QS answer is 6 units. We have to find out QR, which is double of this QS. So therefore QR is equal to 2 multiplied by QS. So 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12 units. Why QR is double of this QS? Here you can give the answers. Here you can give the reason that S is a midpoint. S is midpoint. Second example, AB is equal to 10, AC is equal to 7, BC is equal to 9. I have drawn the figure. Now they have said from C we have to draw the median to the AB. So from C, if I draw the median, so this is a midpoint. Here I'll consider it is D. So in this, AD and BD part would be equal. So if it is total 10, so this part would be 5 and this is also 5. Here once again we'll use the Apollonius theorem. So solution, in triangle CAB, DC is median. So therefore by Apollonius, so here we'll write AC square plus BC square is equal to 2 times AD square plus 2 times the median. CD square. Put the values. AC square, this value is 7 square, plus BC is 9, so 9 square is equal to 2 times. What is AD's value? AD's value is not given, but they gave the value of AD. So AD is nothing but half of AB. Why half of AB? Because D is a median, so of course AD part would be the half of this AB. So I have written plus twice CD square. 7 square 49. Here plus 81. Here I will put the values. 2 into AB's value is 10 upon 2 bracket square plus 2 into CD bracket square. These we can reduce it. So, and what is their addition? Their addition would be 130 is equal to 2 here 5, 10. If we will divide by 2, we will get the answer, that is 5 square plus 2 into CD. CD we have to find out. If you observe these all, so all are divisible by 2. So if I divide this by 2, I will get this equation 65 is equal to 5 square plus CD square. Now I will write 65 is equal to 5 square is 25 plus CD square. Transfer 25 on this side. So 65 minus 25 is equal to CD square. Subtraction is 40 is equal to CD square. Now here we have to take out the square root of both the sides. So square root on this side, square root is on this side. So in this case, how to find out the square root? Here we will simplify by using factorization. 2 20s are 2, 10s are 2, 5s are 5, 1s are. If you make the pair, so we get the 2's pair. So here simplification of this is 2 multiplied by here. If you observe, so 2 multiplied by 5, that means 2 root 10. So here we have got the simplification of this. So this simplification I will write, therefore CD is equal to 2 root 10. So this is your answer of median. So median is equal to 2 root 10. Example, in this third example, 2 proof we have to do it, but this proof we are going to solve with the applications of the Pythagoras theorem, which is given for the obtuse angle triangle and acute angle triangle. First proof we can try with the help of a obtuse angle application for the obtuse angle triangle, and second proof we can try for the acute angle triangle. So first we'll write for the first proof for obtuse angle triangle application for obtuse angle. So what the application says? Application says that opposite side, because here PR square, it is nothing but the opposite side of this obtuse angle, and here if you observe PQ square, that means it is this is the acute angle and these acute angles opposite side. So here we are going to use for the first one application, use for the obtuse angle triangle. So what is our application says that opposite side of a obtuse angle is equal to side 1, that means PS square plus SR square. Here plus we are going to write, and then 2 into obtuse angle is at S position, so here we will write the formula SR multiplied by ST. So SR multiplied by ST. Here they have given that S is a midpoint, so this part would be equal. So PS square, I need it, PR square, PS square, this term I need it, but instead of this here, if you observe, QR is replaced with the SR. So what is the relation of a QR and SR? So S is a midpoint. So what is the relation of this QR and SR? So SR is equal to, it is the half of QR. SR's value is half of QR. Why? Because S is a median. Or in other way, you can say that QR is a double of SR. Means, therefore, QR is equal to double of SR. So this is the relation we have got because of the midpoint. So plus SR, I will replace with this. So SR means nothing but QR upon 2 brackets square plus 2 into SR. Now if you compare this, again this is the relation is nothing but QR. All SR we have replaced with QR. So here we will get QR multiplied by ST. We will arrange it. So we will get PS square plus QR multiplied by ST plus QR upon 2 bracket square. So see here, this is nothing but our first proof. So similarly, we'll prove the second one. To prove the second one, this one, we'll use again application of a Pythagoras theorem. Either you can use this reason or you can extend it by application of a Pythagoras theorem for acute angle triangle. So you will get it. Acute angle's opposite side is PQ square is equal to side 1 square PS square plus QS square minus twice QS multiplied by ST. Again, this QS is replaced with the QR. So similarly, previously we have seen the SR's relation. Now to prove this, I need the, what is the relation of a SQ with the SR. So what is the QR? So what is the relation? This QS is a midpoint, S is a midpoint. So again QS is nothing but half of QR upon 2. Therefore, QR's value is equal to twice QS. So this relation we are going to use it here. This QS we will replace with the QR. We will get PQ square is equal to PS square plus QS is nothing but QR upon 2 bracket square minus twice QS is QR. So QR multiplied by ST. So here we will get it. If you will arrange it, so we will get PS square plus, minus, I will take it here. So minus QR multiplied by ST plus QR upon 2 bracket square. So this is my PQ square. So hence if you compare with this, so hence we got the both the proof. Fourth example, M is midpoint, AB square plus AC square's value is given 290, AM is A and we have to find out BC. Again the condition is given, M is a midpoint, so we will use the Apollonius theorem. So in triangle ABC, AM is median. So therefore by Apollonius theorem, we will get it AC square plus AB square, or we will get AB square plus AC square is equal to opposite side of obtuse angle, opposite side of acute angle is equal to twice BM square plus twice median, that means AM square. Put the value, this value is given 290. So directly we will get the value, we will insert it. So is equal to 2 into BM. Now here BM's value is not given, we have to find out. So I'll keep it BM square as it is plus twice AM is given 8, it is 8 square. Solid 290 is equal to 2 into BM square plus 2 into 64. All are divisible by 2. This equation is divisible by 2. So if I divide this by 2, divide by 2, I will get it. If you divide this, 145 is equal to, if you divide this again, 2 will be cancelled, only BM square will left, plus here also 2 will be cancelled and 64. Transfer 64 on this side, so we will get 145 minus 64 is equal to bm square. Subtracted, after subtraction, bm square is equal to 5 minus 4, it is 1. 14 minus 6, it is 8. So bm square is 81. Therefore, taking square root on these both the sides, will get bm is equal to 9. But we want to find out BC. Therefore, BC is nothing but it is double of BM. Why? Because BM is a midpoint. So BC's value is double of BM. So twice BM. So 2 multiplied by 9, that means 18 centimeters. So BC's value we have got 18 centimeters. Now fifth example. This example is given. Actually, this example is of a Hodge example, but it is very simple. Here just we have used the concept of a Pythagoras theorem. That means hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. So what is the given in this example? They have said that AB is parallel with ASR. This concept they have given the hint in the textbook. So we will use the same thing. AB is a parallel to ASR. So PQRS is a rectangle. AB is parallel with SR, PQ is parallel with AB, AB is parallel with SR. That means all three sides, PQ is parallel with AB, AB is parallel with SR. So this concept, if you will use it, so these two quadrilaterals will become a rectangle. Rectangle means here, because of this PA, BQ and rectangle ABSR are rectangle. And if it is rectangle, so their corresponding angles, this angle would be 90 degree. We know the property of angles of a rectangle. All angles of a rectangle is 90 degree. So all angles would be 90 degree. Now if it is 90 degree, so we'll use the Pythagoras theorem for the short triangles. So if it is rectangle, I'll use the triangle TAS is right angle triangle. So we will get by Pythagoras theorem we will get TS square is equal to AS square plus AT square. So this is my first equation. Observe here. So from this first equation, I will get the value of TS square. Now we will go for the TQ square. So for this, I have to choose the another triangle. This one, TQ square, if I need it. So here also this is 90 degrees. So for this, I will use the triangle TBQ angle TBQ is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, here I will get TQ square is TB square. TS square and TQ square, I have to do the addition. So equation 1 plus equation 2. So if you add it, you will get it TS square plus TQ square on LHS. TS square plus TQ square on LHS is equal to, on RHS their addition. So AS square plus AT square from equation 1. So same way, plus from equation 2, what is RHS? Plus QB square plus TB square. So these I have got it by adding equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2 we have got this. So I have written this is the equation number 3. So similarly now we will go for the TP square. TP square, it is a hypotenuse of this triangle in triangle PTA. So angle PAT is equal to 90 degree. So therefore by Pythagoras theorem, we can write Pt square is equal to Pa square plus At square. So this is my second equation. Sorry, this is my fourth equation. So another triangle, for TR square I have to go to TBR triangle. So in triangle TBR, angle TBR is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, what I will get it? I will get TR square is equal to TB square plus BR square. And this is nothing but the fifth equation. So to get this one, I have to add the fourth and fifth equation. So equation 4 plus equation 5. So fourth equation, if we will add it, we will get Pt square plus Tr square on LHS. On RHS, I will get it Pa square plus At square plus these RHS. So Tb square plus Br square. Observe it, compare with this As square. That means this As square is nothing but Br square. Br square. Why? Because opposite side of a rectangle. So same way, so this Pa is nothing but QB. So I will replace few terms. Pa square, it is nothing but QB square plus At square, I will keep it as it is. TB. Now TB square. So TB also I will keep it as it is. Plus Br square. If you observe, Br is nothing but As. So I will replace this As square. Why did I replace? Because and why? Because their values are same. These are the opposite sides of a rectangle. As is opposite to Br and opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So from third and fourth, if you observe the As square and QB square, here also and this term is also equal. So from we will get their LHS are also same. So means Ts square plus Tq square is equal to Tp square plus Tr square. Here we have completed the practice set 2.2. I hope you have understood it.